I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Sign into the correct Apple ID and confirm contacts is toggled on in iCloud. Once done, check the iCloud backup timestamp so you know what data is available. This tells you if a restore is possible. If contacts are missing, toggle contacts off, wait about 10 seconds, and toggle it back on to force a resync. As you do this, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection and your battery is charged so the sync can complete reliably. Next, use iCloud. COM as your recovery hub because it stores archived contact snapshots. Sign in and open contacts to inspect what's present. Then go to Account Settings and choose Restore Contacts. This pulls from Automatic Archives Apple keeps. Select an archive with the date you want, confirm the restore, and iCloud will create a new archive and push the restored contacts back to your devices. Make sure your iPhone remains connected to Wi-Fi. The sync can take several minutes, depending on how many contacts are involved. Finally, verify the restore by opening your Contacts app and pulling down to refresh. You should see the recovered entries appear. If some items remain missing, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and sign back in to force a full re-download. This often clears stubborn sync issues. As a last resort, restore the whole device from an iCloud backup via Settings General Transfer or Reset, but note this replaces current device data. If things still go wrong, check Apple System Status or contact support for account-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.